Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry engine. First, prioritize safety by securing your vehicle on jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Then, drain all engine fluids, such as the engine oil and coolant, into appropriate containers. This crucial preparation ensures a cleaner and safer working environment for the steps ahead. Next, you'll begin disconnecting the various components attached to the engine. Start by removing the air intake system and the exhaust manifold. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and wiring harnesses, ensuring they are clearly labeled. Don't forget to detach the fuel lines and vacuum hoses, taking precautions for any residual fuel pressure. Now, it's time to prepare for the engine separation. Use a sturdy jack with a wooden block to support the engine from underneath. Proceed to unbolt all the engine mounts that secure it to the vehicle's chassis. Finally, carefully separate the transmission from the engine block, ensuring all bolts are removed and connections are clear. With everything disconnected and unbolted, you're ready for the final step. Securely attach an engine hoist to the designated lifting points on the engine. Before lifting, perform a final check to ensure no hoses, wires, or components are still attached. Slowly and carefully raise the engine, guiding it out of the engine bay with precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.